In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the View in Browser web link in Mailchimp with a branded URL. If you've ever clicked View in Browser on an email and seen a long, forgettable link, this quick customization will make your campaigns look more professional and easier to share. It's a simple change that helps reinforce your brand every time someone opens the web version of your email. Start by logging in to Mailchimp. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click Audience. This is where Mailchimp organizes your contacts and, importantly for today, where the settings for your campaign web links live. If you manage more than one audience, make sure you're in the one you use for your campaigns, since each audience has its own settings. Inside your audience, open Settings. Think of this as the control center for defaults and branding details that carry through to your campaigns. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Email Campaign URL. This area controls the path that appears in the web version link your subscribers see. Next, click Edit next to the current campaign link. You'll see a field where you can enter a custom path for your campaign's web address. This is the part of the URL that comes after the mailchimp domain and your brand segment. For example, you might set it up like this: https mailchimp.mp/mybrand/March newsletter. Keep your path short, descriptive, and easy to remember. Use lowercase letters and hyphens instead of spaces, and avoid special characters that can make links harder to read or share. Consistency helps too. Consider a simple naming pattern, like month newsletter or product launch, so your links stay tidy over time. After you've entered your custom path, click Save to apply the changes. Mailchimp will store this setting so the web version of your campaign uses the path you just defined. If you don't see any error messages, you're good to go. Now, when you send your campaign, the View in Browser link will display your custom, branded URL. That means subscribers who prefer reading in their browser, or anyone who shares your email as a link, will see a clean address that reflects your brand and content. It's a small detail, but it improves trust, makes your emails more memorable, and can even help with link previews when your content is shared online. That's it. Quick, clear, and impactful. Customize your path, save it, and your next send will showcase a polished, on-brand web link.